Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And one thing I want to show you is my birthday t-shirt, okay? Remember on the last video, I was making my 47th birthday t-shirt because I'm turning 47 years old on tomorrow. So I'm recording this video today, which is Friday, August the 11th. Not sure when you will see this video, but my birthday is August the 12th, and I'm going to show you the t-shirt that I made. I'm going to show you how it turned out. Look at it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So yeah, so like I said, today is Friday, August 11th, and my birthday is tomorrow, which is the 12th. So I went ahead and just wore my shirt today. But this video is all about my twins, okay? My twins' birthday is on Monday, August 14th. Remember I told you that all our birthdays are in August. So my twins wanted to do Rainbow High. Now, when my kids were small, I always went on like the characters that they liked at the time, because you know when kids are young, they don't know how to really talk and they don't know how to really tell you what it is they want for their birthday. So I just went on like the little characters and things that they liked at the time. Now that they're older, they know how to talk, they know what to tell me. You know, I always ask, what do you want for your birthday, the theme for your birthday. And so this year they wanted Rainbow High. They absolutely love Rainbow High, and I love Rainbow High too. They're so cute, some cute little dolls. All right, so what I did, I went to Walmart and I purchased them some, I wanted to do some leggings with a shirt. So I couldn't find an actual t-shirt like this. So what I decided to do is to get them some of these little tank top shirts, okay? Because I am going to be giving them a little celebration on Sunday, okay? So I wanted them to, you know, look cute with their Rainbow High theme outfits on. And so one of my twins, she loved purple. The other one loved pink. But I didn't find purple, okay? Because purple is one of the Rainbow High colors. Rainbow High is pretty much the colors of the rainbow. They have all different types of colors. So what I did, I bought, she chose the little blue tights. It's kind of like a bluish greenish color, but it's cute. All right, and she wanted the black shirt. I'm trying to find it right here, y'all. Okay, she wanted the black tank top shirt. So I'm going to be decorating this. And my other twin, of course, she loves pink, so she has the pink shirt with the black tights. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. These are polyester. I think the shirts were like 92% polyester, and the leggings are like 67% polyester. No, the leggings are 86% polyester. So you know, the higher the polyester count, the better the sublimation will take to the material. Okay, so I'm going to be going on and sublimating this, and also I think what I'm going to do is use sublimation on the tank top, and I'm going to use my Cricut. I'm going to use vinyl for the pants, but then you know I may change my mind up once you know I start doing everything, and then I change up. But either way, I want you to come along with me and let me show you what I'm going to do. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. All right, everyone, so what I have done, I have went into Canva and just size the pants and how, you know, size everything the way that I want it, and you know, go ahead and arrange it the way I want it. Now remember, I don't sell anything that is trademarked. These characters are trademarked, so I am only doing this for, you know, for my my children. I do not sell anything that's trademarked. Rainbow High is a trademark character, so I will not be selling this. All right, just want to put that out here. Okay, just want to put that out there. So as you see, I have these gorgeous little characters right here. My children, they know their names and everything. I don't know the names of some of these, but these are the ones that my oldest twin said she wanted. So I'm going to add these to the tights that I showed you, and I just went ahead and put Rainbow High down one leg. And that's how I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and center everything. Now for my other twin, I'm going to get her in here to see what she wants. And this is going to be on one one pants leg of the legging, and then I'm going to have something else on the other one, and then I go ahead and do the shirt. Okay. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and print this out on my Epson ET2760 converted sublimation printer. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here on the right hand side, press this printer button here. So now what I'm going to do, I already have the Epson ET2760 sublimation printer here at destination. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down here to more settings, and I'm going to choose exactly what I want my settings to be on. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I had someone to ask me what settings I put my paper on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and go through everything here. So you see I have my printer set at the Epson ET2760. All right, so you can either flip, always flip your design when you're sublimating. So you can either flip here where it says flip horizontally, which is to press this, or I'm going to show you another way you can do it, but you're always supposed to mirror your image. Okay, I'm going to keep it on correlate sheets. So what I'm going to do, going down where it says color matching, I always put mine on Adobe RGB. Okay, press OK. Go down to where it says printer settings. Now this is where you change your paper to whatever it is that you want. I always put mine on premium presentation paper matte. Okay, this one right here, and I always do print quality high. All right, so right here is where you can mirror your image also. So I'm just going to press where it says mirror image. So what that would do is just flip the design. Okay, instead of having it like this, it will just flip it. All right, so I did mirror image. I'm going to press OK. Then I'm going to leave I'm using the 8.5 by 11 inch paper because that's what my printer print. Some printers print bigger, but that's my printer. All right. So, okay, I'm going to leave that the same. All right. Everything is good. I'm going to press print. Okay, so here is my Epson ET2760 printer. Sublimation printer that I converted it over. You can also buy an actual sublimation printer if that's what you would like to do, but this is the one that I purchased and just converted it over to sublimation. Okay, and my design is printed out, and it's going to come out right here in this little paper tray. Okay, all right, so here is my heat press that I use. This is my Better Sub 15 by 15 heat press. I absolutely love this one. I started out with a much smaller one, and I purchased this one. It's very reasonable. I have a link in the description box. Actually, I have links in the description box to everything that you see me doing here. Okay, so make sure you go and check it out. I also have back to school links for kids that are going back to school, and also for teachers, because you know teachers need supplies also. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn my machine on, which is right here on the side. And I have mine set at 330 for 60 seconds. And what it's going to do is going to go ahead and warm up. And then we'll come over here and press the design on the shirt and the leggies for my twins, okay? All right, everyone. So this is one that I put together in order to put on their shirts. This is going to be on one of my twin shirts, and this is going to be on the other. So I think it's super cute. I just came on here and just arranged it the way that I wanted it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and print this out and get it put on the shirts. All right, everyone, so here is the shirt. Now this is more of a silky type shirt. Remember I said this is I think this one is 85% polyester. So I've added my paper here at the bottom, and I also added some on the inside. Now adding this paper to the inside just keep the sublimation ink from bleeding to the back of your shirt, because you do not want that. And this is the design that I did here, and I'm just going to put it directly, try to center it as best as possible. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my sublimation tape all the way around it. All right, y'all, so what I did, I just trimmed some of the white part, the excess part that I didn't need off, so I can center a little better here. And I have my heat tape, so go ahead and just apply your heat tape just like this around your design. And that is just to make sure your design is, you know, it holds down to the shirt. All right, make sure you take your lint roller and roll your shirt. All right, so I have this paper here, and I'm just going to take it and just place it over my sublimation design just like this. Now I have my heat press at 330 for 60 seconds. All right, so make sure you have your heat gloves. I have heat gloves here. Remember, all of this is linked in the description box below. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise this up. I didn't let it go the whole 60 seconds. I let it go for 40 seconds. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this off. Let's see how it looks. And it looks really good, y'all, on this pink. So let me give you a closer look at this one. Okay, and as you see, this is how it looks on the pink shirt. It is super cute. All right, very, very pretty. So go ahead and lint roll your pants real good, okay? Then you go ahead and pre-press. That is just to get any moisture or anything out of the pants. And you do that for probably just a few seconds, okay? All right, so what I'm gonna do, I have print out my pictures that I'm gonna add to my one of my twins' pants for her rainbow high. All right, so just go ahead and take the design and just put it, try to center it as best as possible. All right, get you some heat tape. Remember, these links are in the description box below. Go ahead and apply your heat tape. All right, make sure you put your paper up under here. That is just to keep any ink or anything from getting on your heat press. All right, I'm just gonna apply a piece here on the sides, just like this. All right, so now I have my other piece of butcher paper. I'm just gonna place it here. Again, that is just to protect my heat press. I have my heat press set at 330 for 60 seconds. I'm gonna pull it down just a little bit to make sure everything gets heated, and just let it go. All right, so one thing that I want to tell you all about is this is a darker color pants. So when you're using sublimation, a lot of times sublimation do not come out very well on dark colors, such as this color and black. All right, so now with these pants here, I think that it may work. I hope so. But just keep that in mind. When you're using darker colors, you might want to use some other type of clear film or something before, to sublimate on. And I have a video where I did one here on my channel. I'm going to see if I can find it here and link it so that you can see what I'm talking about. But we're going to go ahead and remove this and see how this look, okay? All right, so here it is. This looks really good. Now, you remember I told you about the darker colors? Now, this one, you can see it. It came out very well. So it's up to you if you want to use a clear film on top, then sublimate on top of that film. Now, once you put the film down and sublimate on top of it, it will be more vibrant. Okay, but as you see, this one is not as vibrant, but you still can see it. And that's fine with me. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this up and I'm going to add, I have two more girls that I want to put at the bottom of the pants leg. So we're going to go ahead and get that done, okay? Alright, so these are the other two girls, and what I did, I just pulled the pants up, and I'm just going to apply the other two girls like right in this area, okay? Try to stand it as best as possible. Go ahead and take my heat tape, like I showed you to do earlier, and just apply it to your design, okay? And this just holds your design down so that when you press, your design will not shift, okay? Because you don't want it to shift. So you just go ahead, apply your heat tape really well. All right, so now I have my butcher paper. Just like before, I'm going to take it, place it on top of the design, just like this, and press it. I have my heat press at 330 for 60 seconds. All right, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and take this off. Remember to put your heat gloves on. All right, so this is how it looks. Okay, so it's looking really good, as you can see, all the way up. So now what I'm going to do on the other side of the pants leg here is take it and just put the actual letters on here, okay? All right, so I'm just going to take this other side, just like this, and do the same thing. Okay, the same thing as I did on the other side with the picture. All right, y'all, so what I have done, I've already put my lettering down like I showed you, and I've added my heat tape. So now I'm just gonna put my butcher paper over it and go ahead and press this. All right, y'all, so here it is. I have put the rainbow high on one side of the pants leg, and I have put, let's see if I can put it on here so that you can see the actual girls on this side of the pants leg. And these are super cute, y'all. They are gorgeous. I love them. And again, I will not be selling this. This is only for my twins. I do not sell anything that is trademarked. And I would recommend that you do not sell anything that is trademarked because you can get in trouble. So this is for personal use only. I am not making any money from these. But this is for my twins who wanted the Rainbow High birthday party. So I always, you know, I go all out because I am an event designer or event decorator also. So I love to decorate, I love to design, and I love to have fun. So I just did this for them to go along with the Rainbow High party celebration that we're going to have for them. Okay, so I'm going to show you the shirts that I'm going to be making, and I'm going to show you my other twins pants because they will have different characters on hers. Okay. All right, so here is my twin with her pants on. Again, these are the bluish type, greenish type pants, and I think they're super cute. So let me show you my other twin. All right, so this is the pink one. This is the pink shirt that I did for the Rainbow High. This is the other one. And as you see, I just added the Rainbow High right there in the rainbow. These are the girls, and I come down, and these are the pink pants that I did. And as you see, everything turned out amazing. I love it. Okay, so, all right. I hope that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right. See you on my next video. Peace.
Peace.